While Albuquerque is inspiring the newest generation of conservation leaders, students from the Rocky Mountain Youth Corps were working through rigorous training at Montgomery Park today, learning how to protect Albuquerque's local tree canopy. Now, they spent time learning how to properly prune trees, operate chippers, and identify trees across the city. Officials say without this kind of care, trees across the metro will die, taking much needed shade with them.
People are so much healthier and happier and have less respiratory problems when you have lots of trees in a city. So it's really important to take care of all of these trees so that we can keep our community healthy.
And the program is designed to create a pathway to natural resource jobs, and that happens annually.